Okay, so if x equals minus 2, what is x raised to the power of 3 minus x? It is quite easy. So since x is minus 2, so we have minus 2 to the power of 3. This minus here, minus, then minus 2. All right? So what is minus times minus? Of course, it is plus. So minus 2 to the power of 3. Minus times minus is plus 2. Okay? So the next step is to expand this. So minus 2 times 2 times 2. So we have minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. So minus times minus is plus. All right? So 2 times 2 is 4. And then plus times minus is minus. And so 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? So at this point, this minus 2 to the power of 3 is now minus 8. So therefore, we have minus 8, okay, plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2. Sorry about that. And so minus 8 plus 2 will give us minus 6. And how did we get minus 6? Minus times plus is minus, and so we subtract. So 8 minus 2 is 6. The sign with the biggest number goes with the answer. Or take it this way. You owe someone $8, but you have $2 to pay. When you pay $8, $2 to the person, you still owe $6. So the answer is correct.